Next example is C. It is 999 multiplied by 137. So here what you have to do, you have to observe the numbers, okay, and you have to find out that which number is closer to 100,000, okay, or multiples of 10. Okay, so this 999 we can write it as 1000 minus 1, and then we can multiply it by 137. Then this 137 will be multiplied to 1000, and then it will be multiplied to 1 also. So 137, okay, what we can do is 1000 multiplied by 137, then bracket close, then here we have minus sign, so we will write here minus. Again 137 multiplied by 1, or 1 multiplied by 137. So 1000 multiplied by 137 is 137. 137 ones are 137, and 1 2 3 zeros, so put 3 zeros after 137. Okay, then minus 137 ones are 137, and then what you have to do, we have to subtract 137 from 137,000. Okay, so 137,000 minus 731. Okay, always write from right hand side, go right to left. Okay, 731. Okay, can we subtract 7 from 0? We cannot subtract. Okay, so what we will have to do, we will have to borrow. This will become 6, this will become 10. Again, now if we borrow, this will become 9, this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 10. So 10 minus 7 is what? 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 6. Then 3 as it is, 1 as it is. So our answer will be 136,863. Okay, so this was C. Next example is D. 377 multiplied by 95. See here, now 95 is closer to 100. Okay, it is close to 100. So 95 can be written as 100 minus 5. Now 377 can be multiplied 377 can be multiplied to 100 and then 5 simultaneously. Okay, so 377 multiplied by 100, this will be your one bracket, and then there is a minus sign, so we'll write minus. Again 377 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 377 into 100, what we will do is, when we are multiplying to 10, 100 or 1000, then 377 ones are directly, first you multiply it by 1, so this will be 377. 377 ones are 377, and then how many zeros are there in 100? 1, 2, so put 2 zeros. Okay, then minus 377 5s are, we don't know what is 377 5s are, so we'll just quickly multiply it. 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18, so it is 1885. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to subtract 1885 from 37700. Okay, 37700 minus 5 8, just see how I am writing, 5881. Okay, like this way you will write from right to left. Okay, so you cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what you will do is just borrow. This will become 6, this will become 10. Okay, this will become 9, this will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 8 not possible, so this will become 6, we will have to borrow, and this will become 16. 16 minus 8 is again 8, 6 minus 1 is 5, and this is 3 as it is. So this will be what? This will be 35815. So this was our example D.